My name is Lieutenant Colonel Alison Thompson. I'm the commanding officer of HMH 464. Our mission here in Helmand province is to provide assault support to the warfighters on the ground. We provided support to 5 different coalition units as well as 16 different Marine units. We executed over 140 named operations, tactically inserting and extracting Marines and warfighters on the ground. We also moved over 6.5 million pounds of cargo and over 35,000 passengers. We're able to accomplish our mission due to the hard work of everyone in the unit. It takes everyone in the unit doing their piece of the puzzle to make it a whole and launch aircraft and be able to provide the support that we have. These Marines do incredible work. It's amazing the amount of work that has to be done to get these aircraft flying, from headquarters doing their part, to maintenance admin, to the wrench turners, to the air crew. You give the Marines a spoon and they move the mountain. And every single day we move the mountain to launch these aircraft. We are the 911 force for 2nd Law in the Greater Helmand Province. Anyone who needed something lifted or a tactical insert, they gave us a call. I'm definitely proud of our Marines. We took Marines from 2 separate coasts, brought them together at the height of the fighting season, and never missed a beat. Without fail, we launched the aircraft, whether it be general support, tactical troop insert, tactical troop extract, doing a trap mission, you name it, we did it well, we did it on time, and we did it with backup aircraft to spare.